These are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need 2 Snowflake designs from the Dollar Tree, a sheet of bling wrap from Walmart, a large and a medium or small candlestick holder from the Dollar Tree, 3 fillers, your choice of color, and a large and medium vase, Dollar Tree as well. Hi everybody, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very inexpensive, beautiful snowflake vase from the Dollar Tree. So right here I'm just cutting off the bling in the front of the snow leaf, and then it fell apart, so I'm just adding some glue to secure it. And next I'm just going to lay the snowflake on top of the vase. Now I'm getting ready to work on the smaller one, doing the same process, adding the other snowflake. Now to add just one little row of bling from Walmart. I think you get about 40 or 50 on one sheet for less than $3, and I thought that would bring out more elegance and shine and bling on the vase. I'm just aligning the other side so I can go around the entire vase. Okay, and now I'm about to add the fillers from the Dollar Tree as well. I had already Mod Podged these the night before, so I wouldn't have glitter all over. So they are dry now, and I'm just picking them apart just to fill in the bottom of the vase. On the larger one here, adding the bling wrap around. By adding the bling wrap would give it some type of dimension when it's sitting on your table or wherever you're going to place them at. Although the snowflake is the front of the vase, but to see it from the sides with the you know, the bling crystal fake stones, it just gave it a little bit more sparkle. Right here I'm adding some more filler. And just a reminder that when you're gluing your vase to the candlestick, make sure that you're going to use a stronger adhesive. I only used the hot glue because of the video. But if you wanted to make these, you know, stay together longer, I would suggest using like Gorilla Glue, Crazy Glue. Whatever type of glue that you prefer to use, but just make sure you use a stronger adhesive so they will stay, you know, together. So I want to thank everybody who stopped by and watched the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please make sure that you tell your friend to stop on over. And remember, if it ain't cheap, we're not buying it.